Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today, we will learn to earn money through freelancing. So stay with me and watch the video until the end. Freelancing is a work arrangement where individuals offer their skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis, often remotely. Freelancers work independently. Choosing their projects, clients, and schedules. How to earn through freelancing. One, identify your skills. Determine what services you can offer. Such as writing, graphic design, web development, or social media management. 2, create a portfolio. Showcase your work and skills to attract potential clients. 3, choose a platform. Sign up on freelancing platforms like Upwork. 5 or Freelancer to find clients. 4, set your rates. Determine your pricing based on your skills. Experience and industry standards. 5, bid on projects. Apply for projects that match your skills and interests. 6, deliver high-quality work. Meet client expectations and deliver quality work to build a strong reputation. 7, market yourself. Utilize social media. 8, networking and personal branding to attract clients. 9, benefits of freelancing. 1, flexibility and autonomy. 2, opportunity to work on diverse projects. 3, potential for high earnings. 4, ability to work remotely. 5, opportunity to develop a personal brand. Challenges of freelancing. 1, inconsistent income. 2, need for self-motivation and discipline. 3, responsibility for finding clients and managing projects. 4. Potential for isolation. 5. Need for continuous skill development. By understanding the benefits and challenges of freelancing, you can better navigate this career path and achieve success. Steps to build a freelance career. 1. Identify your skills. Determine what services you can offer. 2. Create a portfolio. Showcase your work and skills. 3. Choose a niche. Specialize in a specific industry or service. 4. Set your rates. Determine your pricing based on your skills and experience. 5. Market yourself. Utilize social media. Networking and personal branding. 6. Find clients. Use freelancing platforms, networking, or referrals. 7. Deliver high-quality work. Meet client expectations and build a strong reputation. Popular freelancing platforms. 1. Upwork. 2. Fiverr. 3. Freelancer. 4. Toptal. 5. People per hour. Tips for success. 1. Develop a strong online presence. Create a professional website and social media profiles. 2. Continuously improve your skills. Stay up to date with industry trends and best practices. 3. Set clear boundaries. Establish clear expectations with clients regarding communication, deadlines, and payment. 4. Manage your finances. Track your income and expenses. 5. Plan for taxes and benefits. 5. Network and collaborate. Connect with other freelancers and potential clients to build relationships and find opportunities. By following these steps and tips, you can build a successful freelance career and enjoy the benefits of flexibility. Autonomy and potential for high earnings.